Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can send fax message from your Xiaomi 13 Pro. So in the first step, open the Play Store and look for the Easy Fax app. Install it and open. Now choose the site that you want to get notifications. And now remember, there you have your free credits banner to send your message for free. After that, click on the plus and choose source of document, like something from the gallery. Now just choose the picture. I'm gonna take the photo. Okay, now you can add this shape to your document. And if you're ready, click on the arrow icon. Now choose the filter for photo to make it more visible. Type the number in this place, choose the country from the list, and to send this message just click on this button. That's it. Thanks for watching, give us a like, recommend, and goodbye.